Hi guys, in Schengen there is one beautiful country named Hungary, and everyone once in their life wants to go Hungary. Why? Because Hungary was in the list of top 20 countries where people wants to go and visit. But how you can go? The first step is the visa. If you don't have tourist visa, you cannot visit Hungary. So in today's video, I'm going to explain you the processing time, the documentation, the pricing part, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you the 2 tips also for Hungary if you are planning to go Hungary. What are that tips? For that you need to watch full video, because if you watch full video you will get the clear idea of how you can apply Hungary Tourist Visa with the help of Akira Tourism, right? See, let me tell you, the hotel flight package is very easy. We can give you the Hungary full package including flight and hotel within 1 hour, because we have dedicated team for Schengen who prepare the package for Schengen. But the main task is the tourist visa, right? Because if you don't have visa, how you can go to Hungary? So in today's video we are going to talk about only the visa. Once the visa will approve, we will help you for the hotel, flight and package for sure. So guys, let's start the video. Before starting the video, let me tell you, my name is Yogesh and I'm the owner of Akira Tourism, and our main target is to make sure that your experience with Akira Tourism should be the best. Not even good, should be the best. So guys, please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and let's start the video. So guys, let's first talk about the processing time, like how much time it will take when you submit your application in the Hungary embassy. See, let me tell you, it will take 15 to 20 working days to get the result of whether it is approved or rejected. You will get to know within 15 to 20 working days, and the main thing is you should count that days from the time of submission, not from the time you given us documents. Why? Because see, Hungary and any Schengen country like France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Norway, they all are appointment based countries. Means you cannot submit application online. You have to visit the embassy as per their appointment date, whichever is available as per the nearest date that we will help you. So it is appointment based countries. Okay, now let me tell you the validity. See, as per our experience, as per of last 3 years of experience and feedback of the customers, usually the customers will get 1 month of validity of Hungary Tourist Visa, not less than 1 month, 1 month of validity. But the duration of the tour will be depend on the embassy decision, like how many days you can stay there. That will be totally depend on the embassy side. Why? Because that totally depend on your filing. If you have any genuine reason to stay longer in Hungary, then yes, definitely you will get the longer validity. But it's totally depend on the embassy. No one can commit to you, okay, you're going to stay there 1 month or maybe like 10 days, 7 days. It's totally depend on the embassy decision. Now let me tell you the documents required for Hungary Tourist Visa if you are applying from UAE. The first 3 things are very common and you all should have, because that's why you are in UAE. The passport, visa, which is the residence visa, and the Emirates ID copy. Only copy, not original document, only copies. So these are the basic 3 documents which all of you have. Apart from this, we need 2 more documents. And the number 1, last 6 month bank statement and NOC from the company. Now, what does NOC means? NOC means non-objection certificate. This is a letter which you can acquire from your employer saying that they don't have any kind of objection of you traveling to Hungary or any other country. The format of the NOC, we will share it with you. Don't worry about that. So these 5 documents are required if you are working somewhere. Now if you tell me that Yogesh brother, I'm not working somewhere, I'm the owner of the company, I don't work anywhere, from these documents we don't need NOC. But apart from NOC, we need the self-introduction letter. The format is very easy, we will share it with you, and your trade license copy, because if you're working in UAE, 100% you should have the trade license. So these are the documents required for Hungary Tourist Visa. Now what happens when you submit all these documents to us? The first thing we will do is to take your appointment of the best available dates as per your requirement. See, if you go online and check for Hungary Tourist Visa from UAE, you will get the dates maybe for April, May, June. But if you have visited our office or if you have done any kind of visa with us, you know that we have dedicated team for appointment who always take the appointment as per your requirement dates. So that is the main task. After that, the file will go to the filing team where they will prepare your cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, insurance, everything. They will prepare it and they will give it to you. So this is the process which we follow for the documentation part. Now for example, your appointment date is of 3rd April, so that you will get the document before 1 week of the appointment, and you just need to take a printout and go to the embassy and just submit it. Now let's talk about the pricing part. See, pricing part, we charge 550 AED only, that's it. In this 550 AED, what we will do, let me tell you. First of all, we will take your appointment. The appointment cost is also included. The cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, insurance cost is also included, and our service charge is also included in this 550 dirham only. So now once you give us 550 dirham, we will prepare everything. And one thing you should always remember, that when you are going for the submission, you have to pay 450 dirham, that is the embassy fees. No one will tell you, because I have seen so many agents, they are hiding this topic. Why? Because they think you might not buy from them, but we are very clear and transparent. You have to pay 550 to us, 450 there, approximately 1000 dirham for the Hungary Tourist Visa. So if you also want to apply, let me tell you, we have our office in Zainal Mohibi Plaza 101 from last 3 years, as well as we have dedicated team, as well as the numbers are given below, address is given below. Come to our office and apply with one of the best visa DMC in your region. Now let me tell you the 2 tips which are very important. The number 1, your documents should be accurate and should match with each other, because this is a common mistake. Not everyone goes deeply into it, but this is very important, sir. Why? Because your cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, every dates should match with each other. If this is not matching, then your application can be rejected. The number 2 tip is your bank statement. Your bank statement should have good closing balance. And what does it mean, good closing balance? It means that if you have balance of 2000, 3000 dirham, do you think the visa officer will approve your application? Just think about it. You should minimum have 20-25,000 in your account, then you should apply Hungary Tourist Visa. This is the common thing, but everyone ignores it. But don't worry about it. These are just 2 tips. We have a lot of tips. Just come to us, discuss with us, leave everything to us. We will prepare your application, and you know our success ratio. Google it, TripAdvisor it, or anywhere, check online, you will get to know. If you want to apply, the numbers are given below, address is given below. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel. Till that time, I will bring you the next video. See you.